Welcome back, my beautiful friends. Today we're going to talk about a tip that I usually make, and it's about, in this case, we're going to discuss CVX, aka Chevron. The ex-dividend date was yesterday, May 18th. Usually, when there's a ex-dividend date, the stock usually drops. So let's take a look. The dividend was on the 18th of May, 2021, and if you see two red bars below, and there was a dip. Following in August 18th, once again two red bars, which was a sell-off. Again, a sell-off after the ex-dividend date. Now, fast forward, again, the same thing, two red bars, there was a sell-off. What does that mean? Well, there's the ex-dividend date, which just occurred yesterday, so you should buy it today and then sell it 2 or 3 days later. Hope that helps.